in love. Like, what? The curls are popping. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Talia and I'm here with another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing my hair. My hair looks crazy. As you can see right now, like, yeah. So I was at the store the other day and I seen, like, let me just show you. This new, I don't know if you can see it. They are kids products. So I'm like, okay, so I'm a mom, I have a kid with curly hair, and I'm like, what if I don't have enough money to buy him a kid's hair product, and then let's say I don't have enough money to buy myself like a regular curly hair product, and then I'm like, let me see if I can use it so he can use it as well, and see if we can both use it so we don't have to spend extra money, you know. So I haven't even like look at the reviews. I don't know if this is good or if this is bad, but I really trust this product because it's Dove, and to me their products are amazing. So I'm just gonna try it today and see how my hair reacts to these products. Okay, so here's Addai. This is his hair now. I mean, I just, you know, I wouldn't say use whatever on his hair, but like, I'm not too worried. Like, I'm worried about my hair because my hair gets crazier than his. Like, his curls are like soft and like you can just put water and then like slick back, but mine, it don't do none of that. You know what I'm saying? My hair doesn't do that, so I have to keep, like, you know, every so often changing the products that I use because my hair get used to it, and then it's like, whatever, girl. So I'm like, okay, let me see if I can buy something that me and him can use both, so I don't have to keep spending like extra money on things that I probably don't need to be spending. And besides that, y'all, I also stop at Arby's. I was thinking to myself, like, who eats at Arby's? Like, who actually goes there and stop and eat? Well, I guess me now. I don't know why I did that to myself. Okay, y'all, I am done washing my hair, and I'm just gonna say that I really enjoy washing my hair with these products, even though they are for kids. Hey, like, whatever, like, I'm a kid at heart, let's just say that. So I don't know how I feel about the shampoo. Like, it's just, I mean, it's just like, you know, it's not like, whoa. I didn't find it moisturizing, but I would probably use it again, but I wouldn't say that this shampoo was super like moisturizing, at least for me, you know. I really like the conditioner. It got all of my like tangles out, and yeah, I really enjoyed this one. The styling curl cream, I really enjoyed that one. And my hair is still wet, so I'm just gonna wait for the end result. I'll see you guys. Woo. Okay, y'all, so this is like the end result. If you can see our hair. Okay, so I did the same thing on the Addai's hair. Pretty much, I washed his hair, and I must say I am in love with his curls. They look so pretty. Let's see, turn around. Look at the curls. Look at the curls. They are so soft and cute. And like, look at mine. Like, I'm in love. So yes, I must say that moms and kids can use this. I mean, if your hair, you know, likes the product, which my hair actually like loved it, like, so I guess it's a win. It's a 10 out of 10 because I can buy something that my son and I can use without. I think this is like the first product that I use on his hair that I can see his curls, and they are so soft, and this smells so good. And then I just like how defined, oh, I died one somewhere, how defined my curls are, and like how big and puffy. I like my hair to be big, and this is just like, it's barely dry. It's not dry all the way. I can still, it's, I would say like it's 90% dry. You want to come say bye-bye to your friends? Bye. Come on, say bye to your friends. So with that being said, I'm just gonna end the video here, and I'm pretty sure like in 2-3 days my hair's gonna be bigger. But this is it for today's video. Well, Addai left. But anyways, this is it for today's video. I just want to say thank you for taking your time and watching this crazy video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this video or if you want to watch any other video. So yes, I'll see you guys next. Bye bye. Gonna